How to lose weight quickly with this weight loss tea. Obesity is a worldwide health issue, and it is your unhealthy lifestyle that is the primary cause of obesity. Obese people lose the charm of their personality as well as their self-confidence. What to use to get slim and lose weight. In today's video, I am going to share with you the recipe to make 100% effective ginger and lemon tea for weight loss that works 100%. Ingredients: water, 1 cup. Ginger. Lemon slices. Mint leaves. Green tea powder. Honey. Procedure: boil a cup of water in a saucepan, and in it, add ginger with its peel when water starts boiling. Now, add slices of lemon with the peels to it, and also, add mint leaves and green tea. You may add some honey to it for good taste. Do not use refined sugar. After this, you will get the ginger and lemon tea for weight loss ready for use. How to use. Use 1 cup of this tea at night after your dinner. For quick weight loss, use it 3 to 4 times daily. The remedy also treats the issue of urine burn. This remedy lets you have a big belly, reducing inches. It melts extra body fat naturally. Benefits you will get. Ginger has antibacterial properties. For weight loss, the use of ginger is simply amazing. It boosts your immune system, and protects you from diseases as well. The same way, lemon is also a national weight loss ingredient. It helps to burn extra body fat quickly. Green tea in this tea helps to improve your metabolism. This way, it ensures a speedy weight loss process that is 100% natural too. So, if you are obese, do not worry. Make and use this ginger and lemon tea for weight loss and have a slim and a smart body.